Hi everybody, this is Carrick from the Albury Northside Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for tuning in today. We're going to learn how to update your company and personal profile in your membership club online account. Very exciting. I'll keep this as short as possible. The idea is to show you step by step how to input information into your account so other members will want to browse your profile and will be able to contact you as easily as possible. Now, don't forget that being a video, you can hit pause at any time. So if you would like to update your profile as we go, feel free and hit the pause button when you need to. Okay, so we're starting off today from being logged into your membership club online account. If you haven't set up your login details and you can't find the email inviting you to do so, don't worry. Just contact me. My email address is membership@alburynorthside.com.au, or you can call me on 6023 0103 and I can help you do that. Or you can even watch the webinar for logging into your membership club online account. So once we're logged in, we get to this welcome screen here. On the right hand side, we're looking for the member profile box, which down here will give you a percentage of how complete your profile is, mine being 30%. To start, we simply click on the View Profile button. So again, as you can see, it gives you the percentage completion for your profile, as well as a quick summary of what information you have put into your profile and what information you haven't put into your profile. The easiest way to work down the list is on the left hand side here. We've got these tabs here, so we'll start off and just work our way down the list. We'll start off at the top with the organisation information. Once we're in here, you will have some basic information that you can just fill in the blanks: contact information, fax numbers, phone numbers, email addresses, mobile phone numbers, website, address information, both physical and mailing, and some very brief additional information: business established date, number of employees, whether they be full-time or part-time, and some billing contact information preferences as well. When you're done with this part, simply click on the Save Changes button and we can move on to the next tab, which is Employees. This is where you can list all your employees if you choose, and whether their contact information is visible to other members when they're browsing the business directory. So this is a really good way to direct inquiries to the right people in your business, and it's a great way to get your employees known out there in the business community. So it's just streamlining the contact to your business. If you want to add an employee, simply click on the Add Employee/Rep. Fill in the blanks, all of their information: job title, email, contact preferences, phone numbers, addresses. So you can choose to give this employee or your employees access to the membership club online, simply clicking on the checkbox there. When you're done, you would click on Save Employee/Rep and that person will then be added to your account. I won't bother doing that because I've added no details in, so I'll just quickly navigate back up here to the next tab, which is Website Information. Okay, at the very top part of this screen, you won't need to put in any information in here because we've already put this information into the Organisation Information tab, which was our first one that we entered. It's just carried that information into here automatically for us. So we can scroll down to social network services. This is really cool. We can link your social media to your company profile within your membership club online. So we've got LinkedIn, Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. All you need to do is copy the URL and paste it in here. So then members will be able to contact you via your social media. The next section down here is information, a bit of text about your business. So you've got two description boxes, the first one being a more lengthy description, which is 1600 characters. So this is where you'd go into a little bit more detail about what your business is, what your products and services are, some history, some cool facts, introducing yourself. And the one below it, results summary, which is a restriction of 200 characters. So this, as it says here, is displayed in search results. So it's a quick snapshot of your business. Below that, hours of operation, driving directions, and then we move down to additional bulleted description. This is a great opportunity to summarize what your business does, also providing some links. So say, for example, my business was a real estate business and I wanted to put in rental property as a bullet text, and then I can simply paste a URL from my website into here so that my clients or my customers can find more information about my business that way. Below that, keywords. So this is very similar to in Google, for example, your search engine optimization. This is the same kind of thing but within the membership directory. So really cool thing is you've got unlimited keywords that you can associate with your business. Again, if I was in real estate, I might want to put in real estate. I might want to put in housing, land, Albury, and so on and so forth. So these will all combine to help people find me when they're searching in the membership directory. And again, remembering at the end of filling in that page that you click the Save Changes button so that all of those details get saved. Alright, now the next category tab here you won't need to worry about too much. The reason being is we can't change it from this particular login. I can change it from the office here. If you find that your business is listed under the wrong category, or you'd like to change the category that you're associated with, it's quite easy. I can do that for you. All you need to do is email me on my email address at membership@alburynorthside.com.au, and I can do that for you. Alright, so now we can move down to the next one, which is logos. Clicking on logos. This is where we can put a little bit of branding to our profile. Very straightforward. First one is a member page header, which you'll see the dimensions of 800 by 150. So if you've got separate logos or page headed logos that you've already got, that's fine. If you've only got the one logo, that's also fine. We simply click on the Add Image button, choose the file. In my case, I want to upload this file. Click on the Open, click on the Done, and it's pinned the logo up to my profile. I can repeat the process for my member logo, which is more of a general logo, and the search results icon, which is what will be displayed when people are searching or browsing the membership directory. Once I've finished doing all those, I've got to remember to click on Save Changes, and that will update my account. Successfully saved, that's a good sign. And now you can see that we've got a logo attached to our company profile, which is fantastic. So moving along down the left hand side again we're up to photos, which I will just click on. This is really cool. We can add some photos about our business. It might be photos of staff members, it might be photos of product, it might be photos of the actual storefront or shop front or office front. All we do to create the gallery is, quite obviously, click on the Create Gallery button. From here we click Manage Gallery, and we want to add an image. We click on that, find the file on our computer. Say for example I want to upload this one. I select it, click on the open, click on the finish, and you'll see that it's pinned it into this gallery. I can add a caption for it if I like. Remembering when I'm done, I need to click on the Save Gallery, and that's created a gallery for me. Now we're up to videos. Again, moving down the list on the left hand side. If you have a YouTube video that you would like to pin to your profile, it's very easy. We go to the YouTube URL and we copy it, which I've already done, and simply paste into the video URL spot down here and click on the Save Changes. Yes, and there's my mug right there. So we'll move along quickly to the next in the list, which is the map pin information. So this is all the details which relates to the membership directory and the Google map facing, so people can find where your business is. If you are running your business from home, it might be a good idea to not have your map showing in your profile. You don't want people knowing where you live so that they can harass you and whatnot. Simply decheck that box there and click on the Save button down the bottom here. I would also suggest filling in or updating your point of interest category information, which would just move that relevant to your business, which will also help people find your business more easily. And again, remembering when you're done to click on the Save Changes button. Okay, so lastly, the membership badge is the final one. We click on that. Now this is a very cool little way to show your support for the Albury Northside Chamber of Commerce, and we would really appreciate if you could do so. This is a badge that you can put to your website that will show up exactly like this here. In your case it would have your business name. In my case this is Test Company, is a proud member of the Albury Northside Chamber of Commerce, and it would have a link back to our website. The Web Geek side of things, we've got the HTML element ID right there, and if you want the HTML code, we click on the Generate button and there's the coding. So if you're computer or web illiterate, this is for your web designers only. Don't bother confusing yourself because I'm sure it will just create a headache for you. Okay, so that's it for your company profile information. It's quite easy. While you're in here, I would recommend clicking up here to the Personal tab, where you can update your personal profile information. I won't go into detail with that. It is very similar to what we've just done in that you just fill in the blanks, move down the page, click the Save Changes button at each page, and then move down all the tabs down here. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has helped you update your profile. Remember, the most complete and good looking profiles are the ones that will get all of the interest in the directory. So make sure you keep yours up to date as much as possible. If you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email is membership@alburynorthside.com.au, or you can give me a call on 6023 0103. Thanks guys, and have a good day.